Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Java JDK. So what is Java JDK? The Java Development Kit is an implementation of either one of the Java platform, Standard Edition, Java Platform, Enterprise Edition, or Java Platform. Micro Edition platforms released by Oracle Corporation in the form of a binary product aimed at Java developers on Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So let's begin downloading Java JDK. It's very important to run our Android Studio and develop apps. In order to install Java JDK, we search on Google on Java JDK development kit. So Java SE, this is Oracle official site. And we scroll down to download the latest Java SE Standard Edition. So we need Standard Edition in our development process. So we download the Java SE version 12. It is the latest release of Java. Scroll down and we choose our correct edition of Windows. My Windows is x64, so I choose x64. .exe and waiting for the download to finish. After finishing, we click open. And this is the process of installation of Java SE. We click next and waiting for the installer. We click close and Java is successfully installed. Thank you for watching. Catch you on next video.